Welcome to Schnebly Hill Road, one of Sedona's most scenic and adventurous off-road trails. In this video, we'll take you along as we tackle the rugged terrain, explore stunning viewpoints, and enjoy action-packed moments with our Toyota Tacoma and a Ford F-150 in tow. We've also just completed another exciting trail, the legendary Broken Arrow Trail, and we'll be sharing that adventure in an upcoming video, so stay tuned for more incredible Sedona off-road action. Let's hit the trail. Our journey begins with a winding descent into Sedona's Red Rock wilderness. With the Insta360 camera mounted on the roof rack, you'll feel like you're right here with us, navigating this iconic trail. Behind us, our Ford F-150 adventure partner is keeping pace as we head westward through this rugged terrain. As the trail opens up, we speed things up to give you a fast-paced look at the ever-changing terrain. From loose dirt to rocky paths, every twist and turn offers a new thrill. Slowing down here, take a look at this quiet little body of water on the left, a serene reminder of the beauty hidden along the trail. But the adventure continues. Back to the fast-paced journey as we navigate the rugged trail towards our next big highlight. And here it is, the crown jewel of Schnebly Hill Road. This viewpoint offers an awe-inspiring panorama of Sedona's vibrant red rock formations. To truly capture its beauty, here's a drone shot showing the vast, rugged landscape from above. This is what makes this trail so memorable. Back on the trail, it's time to tackle some of the roughest sections Schnebly Hill has to offer. Watch as the tires skillfully navigate the rocky terrain, showcasing the off-road capabilities of these vehicles. As we continue along Schnebly Hill Road, the trail remains as rugged and adventurous as ever. You'll notice the terrain constantly changing, from jagged rocks to dirt paths carved into the hillside. This stretch is a reminder of just how diverse and thrilling off-road trails can be. Even at this faster pace, you can catch glimpses of Sedona's iconic red rock formations peeking through the trees. The ever-changing scenery is part of what makes this trail such a favorite among off-roaders and nature lovers alike. Behind me, the Ford F-150 continues to tackle the trail with ease, proving it's up to the challenge. Meanwhile, my Toyota Tacoma handles every bump and climb like a pro, showing just how capable these vehicles are on tough terrain. As we near the end of the trail, it's a good time to reflect on why Schnebly Hill Road is so special. The combination of history, rugged landscapes, and breathtaking views make it an unforgettable experience for anyone lucky enough to drive it. Thank you for coming along on this journey. If you enjoyed this adventure, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and consider subscribing for more off-road explorations. And don't forget, our next video will feature the legendary Broken Arrow Trail. It's packed with even more challenges and stunning views that you won't want to miss. Until next time, happy trails.